Welcome back to the How To channel, and we're talking about how to make Instagram Reels like a pro. So guys, let's get straight in. I'm going to show you some of the effects. The first effect is audio. All right, audio, of course, is going to just allow you to put music onto your Reels. Some of the nicest songs on there, some of the trending songs, all right? You can choose your own. That's absolutely fine. The next one is effects. These are the effects that you're going to use for your Reel. I do recommend, if you want to make Reels like a pro, using the trending Reels, because you already know they're trending for a reason, and you're going to get an upper hand on other people's Reels. Now, when you go to the next effect, okay, it's the length. You've got the length. You can have 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. Completely up to you. You've got the speed, which you can go how fast. Some people like to have a faster Reel. Some people have a slow Reel, okay, for dramatic effect. That's absolutely fine as well. And you've got the layout, which changes the layout of your Reel. Then you've got the timer, so you can choose the timer of your choice, all right, and have it start at a different time. There's a countdown before the recording starts, which is super cool. All right, it's a really neat feature. And you have the dual camera. The dual camera allows you to use the back camera and the front camera and the gesture control. The gesture control, you just raise your hand to start or stop the Reel, okay? And it's to add a picture. It's like every other Reel in the bottom left-hand corner, guys. Like and follow for more how-to videos.